Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
Here's your weather video for this Easter Sunday, April the 17th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. My best wishes to all of you who are celebrating Easter or Passover or Ramadan, whatever your religious beliefs are. It was a beautiful night last night at Protective Stadium in downtown Birmingham for the inaugural game of the United States Football League. The Birmingham Stallions, New Jersey Generals. Doesn't that bring back some memories? But as the departing showers left to the east, it cleared up over the stadium and over the city and the area, and it was beautiful overnight. Those clear skies allowed us to see a beautiful, newly minted pink full moon. Wasn't pink in color, just pink because of the time of the season. That's the name that it's called. But dense fog followed pretty quickly beyond that. Dense fog advisories in effect for all of north and central Alabama through the overnight hours into early this morning. The fog will be dissipating fairly quickly, though, as showers begin to move in. But if you're out there and about early this morning, be careful. The upper air wind pattern across North America, we've actually got a split flow in the jet stream. It's hard to kind of pick out there. They're very active northern stream and active southern stream. And with that, we've got disturbances passing along, and those brought the showers and thunderstorms yesterday to parts of Alabama. Fortunately, they weren't too much of a problem. Only a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings, a tornado warning down in Clark County, but no tornadoes were reported. Now, this is the look at what things look like early this morning, theoretically at 7 a.m. We got rain across western Tennessee and northwest Alabama. Showers beginning to break out to the west of us. Those showers by noon will increase and push to the southeast. We'll see rain and some thunder over the northern part of the state, down into west central Alabama and parts of south Alabama as well. Now, by noon, Cape value is going to be coming up. We're starting off with almost no Cape this morning. Warm front moving back to the north, allowing for warmth and instability to increase. And we see some Cape values approaching 500 joules per kilogram over central Alabama, with some values up to nearly 1,500 joules per kilogram over south central Alabama by the noon hour. And then by 4 o'clock, we've got pretty widespread south of I-20 Cape values that are in excess of 1,000 joules per kilogram. Of course, we know that's significant enough to cause severe weather. And the SPC does have a slight risk this afternoon and tonight, overnight tonight, for parts of extreme southwestern Alabama. The rest of the area, basically the rest of areas of south of I-20, under a marginal risk for today. We've got plenty of bulk shear. This is what takes those updrafts and makes them organized and allows the thunderstorms to become long-lived, which gives them the chance to become severe. But we don't have much in the way of helicity. This is at 4 p.m. today off the HRRR, and you can see helicity values are too low really to produce tornadoes. But as we go through time, the combination of that instability with some increasing shear will cause the significant tornado parameter values here. Anything over 1 is considered to be possible that you could see a tornado. You start pushing up higher values, 2, 3, 4, 5 tornadoes become more likely. Now, here in Alabama, you see 4 p.m., not much of a chance of a tornado. Now, by midnight, ahead of the main cold front, another line of showers and thunderstorms will develop. It'll be into northwest Alabama after 10 p.m. tonight. This is at 1 a.m., showing storms through Coleman and Jasper, lined up I-59 toward Fort Payne. And then they're pushing out of here by 5 a.m. Monday morning. What really worries me is if we saw some of those significant tornado parameters over Mississippi. They seem to work into western Alabama late tonight, around midnight. So we'll be watching to make sure we don't see a small spin-up tornado somewhere in the west central Alabama area. Something we'll be watching out for very carefully. Now, it's gone through time. This is GFS for Monday, showing the showers and thunderstorms departing off to the east early in the day. We'll see clearing skies and cooler conditions. Afternoon high near 70 degrees. Should be a fairly nice day. Tuesday, we'll wake up in the morning with cool temperatures in the middle 40s, but we'll be able to get back to the upper 60s by daytime highs. We'll see those upper 60s to lower 70s. Sunny skies for the most part on Tuesday. Wednesday, mostly sunny, a little warmer. We could see some clouds increasing late. You see, we've got a cold front trying to encroach on the southeastern United States there from the west, but we'll call it a mostly sunny during the day, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy overnight. But this upper high to the east will begin to sort of flex its muscle as it ridges back to the southwest and keeps that frontal system at bay. Now, Thursday could be a partly to mostly cloudy day, but I think clouds will decrease later in the day as that high pressure system begins to exert that muscle and pushes that system on off to the north and west. This is Friday. We'll be warming up, ridging building over the southeast. It will be a warm day with the highs in the middle 80s. And then Saturday, an even warmer day. We'll start off only around 59 for the morning low, rising into the middle 80s, a decent southerly flow over Alabama. And then as we go to Sunday, trying to encroach in here again is that same frontal system. Upper system pushing through the Great Lakes may allow that to get a little closer to Alabama. Should still be partly cloudy to mostly cloudy at times and warm though on that Sunday for the big race at Talladega. High temperatures will be in the middle 80s. Now, it looks like Sunday, May 1st, 2 weeks from now, fairly wet pattern. This is not totally unusual for us in May to see a system late April, early May with low pressure tracking along a stalled front and a powerful subtropical high to the east. This system could probably bring us something on the order of 3 to 4 inches of rain over North Alabama with lesser amounts as you go to the south. We'll be watching out for that. For the possibility of flooding. These are temperatures off of the national blend of models, showing 70s, today, 69 on Monday, 67 on Tuesday. That's pretty reasonable. Then a steady warm up as we go through the latter half of the week and into the weekend. It'll feel like May or early June around here by next weekend with those highs in the 80s and lows in the 60s. A lot to unpack Monday night on Weather Brains. The incident with the tornado emergency in Arkansas has generated a lot of attention and a lot of discussion, and we'll be talking about that on Monday on the Weather Brain Show. And we'll also have Chance Hayes from the National Weather Service in Tulsa, and he's going to actually give us a live spotter training class, which if you can watch the video version Monday night, either on the .2 channel, or if you can watch it live on bigbrainsmedia.com or live.bigbrainsmedia.com or on the YouTube channel, a good time will be had by all. That's your Easter Sunday weather forecast here. I'll have notes on the blog. We'll take another look at the forecast before noon, give you a little update then. And I'll be here next Sunday. Till then, James will have 2 days all week. Scott will be here next Saturday. And as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.